Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are making a classic recipe which is garlic butter sauce lobster. It is golden, tender and packed with flavors. Simple ingredients and beautiful results. Let's start with our ingredients. So let's start with our main ingredient. So I have taken off the head and we're just gonna use the tail for this recipe. Here is some paprika, fresh parsley, 1 lemon, fresh garlic and butter. So now our butter garlic lobster is ready to be served. So if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.